welcome to Recipes from Abuela. I'm Chef Aylin, and this is Sous Chef Annie. Yeah, today we're going to be making pilon, and that's the Hondureño way to say popsicles. We're gonna need half a cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, chunks of pineapple, and plastic cups, and popsicle sticks. We're gonna add the sugar, the water, and the pineapple. And then we're going to put it on the stove for medium heat. Now we are going to mix until everything is combined. This is the consistency it's going to be after we simmered it, and now we're going to let it cool. We're going to add it inside the blender. Depending how you want your pilon, you need to, if you want it sweet, you can add less water, and if you want it less sweet, you could add more water. Right now, we're going to add half a cup of water. Now for a quick taste test. Best thing ever. Now we're going to put it inside the freezer for 1 hour. Then we're going to put the popsicle stick inside, and then we're going to put it back in the freezer until it's completely hardened. Now we are going to add the sticks. Left them overnight to completely freeze, and to take them out, we run them through some warm water.